waiting players to load. Hello my gamers, and in today's video I'm going to be playing a normal camping story. So, this game is going to be another story game, right? It's weird that the place name is the campsite, but we are in an elevator. Well, let's see what is going to happen. I guess let's just let the worst happen. Then something bad will just happen to us. Anyways, let's go. What even is this normal camping story anyways? Hello everyone. Hey Jerry. My name is Jerry and it's nice to meet you all. Today we will go camping. Why isn't nobody excited? Maybe it's because this isn't the first camping game that we have played. But this one is different. Right, okay. Okay, follow me. I will show you everything. Sure? Sure, let's go. Let me just take a screenshot. Isn't it cute? Oh, a frog. ... Damn. Sometimes the nature can be cruel. Fairs. Let's continue our way. Okay then, let's go. Welcome to Spooky Woods. Here we are. Spooky Woods. The woods don't look spooky. A peaceful place to camp. Let's go. Jerry looks so confused. What the hell? Jerry, why do you look confused? What's wrong, Jerry? I heard something. Someone is here with us. ... A monster! Everyone run! Oh, it's just Bob. Wait, what? Yeah, it's just Bob. Don't worry. He is a peaceful monster. Okay. This is strange. Yeah, for real. Don't say that, you will hurt his feelings. Aww. Huh? But he wasn't supposed to be here. The rope must have broken. Anyways, I will tie him again. Oh, thank you. Come with us, Bob. Again by broken TO for ST. Inspired by Samson XVI's game. camping. With a story never told before. A normal camping story. Right, here we are. We finally made it here. We are finally here. Oh, yay. Bob won't cause any troubles now. Are you sure? ... question mark. Of course. Okay. Now, I will continue, you continue showing the campsite. This is the cabinet, but we are going to sleep outside tonight. Why? Why not? Fair enough. You have a point. Okay. Follow me. I will show the bathroom. Okay. And I have no clue where the other players have gone. Where are the other players? Almost there. Wow. This is the bathroom. Well, there is a teddy bear here. Come here when you need. Hey, Jerry, I think someone is here. Who is this guy? I don't know. Alright, you should leave, guy. He is gone. Okay, good. And he didn't wash his hands. Gross. Let's forget it. It's nothing to worry for. Okay, ... So, ... I will let you guys explore the campsite for a while. Don't forget that the night is coming. Okay then, let's go. Alright then, let's... Hey, Bob. Aw, he's so cute. He's a cute, peaceful monster. It's almost at night. We need to get some wood to light the fire. Sure thing. It would be very good if you all could go around to get some wood. Really? And you won't help? Yeah, for real, help us. Me? Yes. You. Well, okay. Done. I did my part. Now it's your turn. Lazy pants. ... Such a lazy pants. And we have to get 7 wood. Lazy pants. Right, let's look for some wood then, whilst he just sits there and be's lazy when he literally grabbed only one wood fire. I know there is one here. There we go. We need to find more. Then we can light up the fire. Right, 4 wood we have collected. Now we need more. We need more. Right, I'm not seeming to find any. Where's the wood? Alright, 5 woods now, just 2 more. Come on, it's not that hard. I will give a little help. Oh my god, now it will be easier. Oh my god, there's a sign that says leave while you can, and there's a knife. Oh yay, give me some help. Right, objects completed. Good job. The night is coming. Someone said hi. Everything is done. So, let's eat some sandwiches. Mmm. Yum. Yum. This sandwich is tasty. Wait! It seems like the sandwiches are poisoned. Oh no. Did you guys eat it? Yes. Really? No. It's just a joke. This wasn't funny. I was just trying to scare everyone. Well, I need to go to the bathroom from now. I am back in some minutes. Faz, come back in a minute. Right, let's get in that tent. Yay, we can all sleep in here. This tent is really big for all of us to fit in. So, I am starting to think that this game is actually peaceful. I am wondering if something is going to happen now. I hope nothing happens. What was that? Are you there, Jerry? Nope, he isn't there. Oh, it's just Bob. Hey, Bob. What are you doing here? I don't think he can. I don't think he can talk. I think he can't talk. Help! What's going on? Aww, a cute bunny rabbit. It's just a rabbit. Haha, Bob, are you afraid of rabbits? Rabbits are so cute. It looks like there is someone there. Oh my god. It's that guy. Ah! We need to go to the cabin. Okay. It's Bob! Should we let him enter? Yes. Bob, come inside. Come, quickly, Bob. What is happening here? And why Bob here? And why Bob is here? We were attacked by a masked guy. So we ran to the cabin. Bob followed us and we let him enter. Oh. That's a good scary story. Haha. It's not a story. It's real. Okay, look. We can sleep in the cabin tonight. There is no reason to be afraid. This plane is 99.99% safe. Now, let's sleep. But first, I need to tie Bob again. Do not need. Let him sleep with us. Well, okay. What was that? It was me. I had a nightmare. Oh, okay. So let's go back to sleep. I can't. I need my teddy bear. Really? Yes. Bro needs a teddy bear when he is an adult. And where is it? I forgot it in the bathroom. I need it. Oh my god, you're serious? You guys need to get a tip for me. No. There is an astronaut outside, and you want us to go out. Just get it for you. First of all, there is no action. Second, I really can't sleep without my teddy bear. And if I don't sleep, the game won't continue. Oh. I am waiting here. Go to the bathroom and get Jerry's teddy bear. Okay, but we have to be very quiet. Okay. Now we just need to go back to the cabin. Go back to the cabin. The masked guy is back. Quick, run back. We were attacked again. And this time he had a gun. A gun? I don't believe. Didn't you hear the shots? No. I was talking with Bob. He can't even talk. Anyways, Jerry, here is your teddy bear. We will sleep now. Thanks. I am so happy that you are fine, Mr. Bear.
I love you.
I love you too. Okay, Jerry, let's sleep now. Okay. It's day. Where is Jerry? Oh my god, I'm by myself. I guess that I will need to find him. Find Jerry. Are you sure? Oh no. Bob said that this place is too dangerous for him. I don't understand. What happened? It's starting to rain. Let's go back to the cabin. Okay. We need to wait here until the rain stops. But don't worry. It's like I said, this place is 99.9% safe. Wow. This is dangerous. Let's go to that cave. But you said that this place is safe. No, I said that it is 99.9% safe. But it's okay. We can stay here and wait for help. Stay here. I want to stay here. I am not going in that dangerous cave. It's better if we stay here. Alright. Let's wait for help. Maybe it wasn't the best idea. Oh. The help is here. Oh dear. Where are we? Oh. This is an old abandoned place in the campsite. I used to put useless stuff here. Well, the masked guy took us here. So something is about to happen. What's happening here? Hello. I want to play. No signal. ... Are you serious? No signal. What the hell? Sorry. The signal is bad because it's raining. Continuing. I want to play a game. Now, everyone that is in danger. Look at this wonderful duck. It's not a normal duck. It is a bomb. If one of you try to escape, it will explode. What? But you can continue alive. It's simple. You just need to share this game with your friends and give it a like. What? Wait, is this legal? Yes. You have 1 minute. If none of you do it, then kaboom! You know? Live or oof. Make your choice. Oh no. This is bad. You need to like this game now. Is this a joke? No. Do it now. Lol. I can't believe that this is actually working. We will get a lot of likes. And this gamer will beat Adopt Me. Jerry is a genius. Haha. Bob is here to save us. I think he is grateful because I saved him. What? But don't forget to like the game. Do not need. Bob will help us. Oh. I think I heard something. Oh, my phone is ringing. Hello? Yes, it's Mark. But how will he save us? That's true. If he opens the door, the bomb will explode. Oh no. We need to run. The bomb is about to explode. Do not need. Have you ever seen a duck-shaped bomb? Haha. Don't worry. The bomb is fake and this is a good ending. Let's find Mark. He will explain everything better. So, you are telling me that the duck toy that you made is actually a real bomb. Well, at least you told me on time. I need to go there. Oh. A normal camping story. Anyways, my gamers, if you gamers enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I can try and play some more stories like this soon. Bye bye, my gamers.